Hello everyone, my name is Eric and I'm the Wellness Coordinator at Serving Older Adults, and we are back with another episode detailing nutrition. Today we are going to be going over complementary proteins. So first, before we get into this, I wanted to do a quick overview of proteins and what they do in our body. We use these proteins to create different types of cells and structures. Everything from building muscle to creating new skin cells when we get a cut, or building cells that fight off infections or immune system. Each of these specialized proteins are created from what are called amino acids. There are 20 of them, and you combine them to create different types of proteins. So you got to think of it like Legos. So amino acids are all of the individual Lego pieces. You can create a castle, a spaceship, and these structures would be the proteins that we make to build those muscles or boost our immune system. Our bodies actually make 11 amino acids, but where do we get the other 9 from? Usually from eating protein in our food in the form of meat. So meat has every amino acid or Lego piece that we need. But what do you do if you're vegetarian or vegan? Well, vegetables, nuts, seeds, grains, and legumes unfortunately do not have all of these 9 amino acids that we need to consume, and they don't come in one single package like meat does. So in order to get all 9, and for our bodies to be able to function normally, we have to complement these non-meat sources. So if you're a vegetarian and you're having beans for dinner, you also need to eat a grain, nut or seed to complement the amino acids that are not in the beans. So make sure that when you are eating protein and you are vegetarian, that you are complementing your amino acids with the correct source. So if you want to pause this, I actually have a little chart here that will go over all of the different combinations that you might need. So you can see here, if you're going to have corn, you have to have legumes, which are also beans, in order to get all of those amino acids. The last thing that I really wanted to touch on is that protein from non-meat sources is not as digestible as meat products. So if you are a vegetarian or vegan, you have to make sure that you are eating about 10 to 20% more protein than everybody else. So usually the standard amount of protein recommended every day is about 20 to 30% of your total calories for the day. If you don't eat meat, I would lean closer to the 30% side. So if you have any questions about the material that we went over today, I will be discussing this topic and answering questions at our next Wellness Roundtable via Zoom. That's going to be on November 17th at 1 p.m. So keep checking our Facebook page on the 17th for the Zoom link. Thanks, and see you again next time.